Is Imperium still relevant in modern legal systems? Imagine a world where one person has the power to command armies, make laws, and judge disputes all at once. That was what Imperium meant in ancient Rome. It was the supreme authority held by magistrates and emperors. They could issue edicts, lead armies, and preside over courts. This authority was the backbone of Roman governance and law. Today, even though we do not use the word Imperium, its ideas still shape how modern governments work. The core concept of having recognized authority to enforce laws is still very much alive. Modern states have sovereign power, which is similar to Imperium. Governments create, interpret, and enforce laws within their territories. This power is divided among branches like the executive, legislature, and judiciary. This division echoes the Roman idea that different officials hold specific legal authorities. For example, presidents or prime ministers have the power to enforce laws, just like Roman magistrates once did. Courts also have the authority to interpret laws and deliver justice, a practice rooted in Roman judicial procedures. Roman law also introduced the idea of codification, which is the systematic collection of laws. The most famous example is the Corpus Juris Civilis, or body of civil law, compiled under the Byzantine Emperor Justinian. This collection influenced many modern civil law systems, especially in Europe and Latin America. It showed how a clear, organized legal code could help govern a large and complex society. The Roman concept of imperium included the power to make laws, command armies, and judge disputes. These functions are still essential in modern governments. Today, the authority to pass laws, enforce them, and settle disagreements is split among different institutions. But the idea that recognized officials hold legal power to keep society orderly remains unchanged. In many ways, the idea of imperium is woven into the fabric of modern law. It reminds us that authority must be granted through recognized offices or institutions. Without this legitimacy, laws lose their power. So even if we do not call it imperium anymore, its influence is still very much present. It helps explain why governments can maintain order and why laws are respected and obeyed. In the end, the core principles of imperium, sovereign authority, rule of law, and the power to enforce, are still fundamental to how modern legal systems operate. They are part of the legacy that ancient Rome left behind, shaping governance and justice in ways that continue to matter today.